Hello my dears, I'll show you how to make an easy quick crochet cast on for a scarf, blanket, vest or cardigan. 4 rings of 3 loops each, I make 3 chain stitches. In the first chain I make double crochet. Three more chain stitches. In the first chain, double crochet. And so I cast on the required number of chains. 4 rings of 4 loops each. You need to make 4 chain stitches. Then you need to make a treble crochet into the first chain. And you get this good lace edge.